Alright, let me get all this stuff together for the lab. Alright, so I got 2 support stands to hold that and that. I need a tall separatory funnel and a beaker to catch it, so that'll be good. I should set that up now to make it easier later on. Hey guys, where's my other support stands? This has happened to everybody in a lab. You're trying to set everything up and you can't always find the stands because someone borrowed them. Now I'm going to show you a really simple and elegant solution to help you have a support for anything you could possibly do in the lab. The Lattice support system is a fully customizable support system for your laboratory needs. There are multiple sizes to choose from, and each one can be mounted easily to your existing lab or benchtop. The great thing about this system is the simplicity of the parts that are involved. The 3 basic parts are the footer, which can be mounted to a tabletop, as I've done here, or you can also mount this directly to the wall. There's also a variety of rod styles and sizes, and the most important piece is the connecting clamp. With this connecting clamp, you can connect these at right angles and they slide around to give you any configuration that you could want. Here are some different pictures of each of the setups. Please note if you see glassware or clamps like a burette clamp, those are not part of the system. They're just demonstrating what you can do. One note to particularly mention is this Lattice Set 4 does come with 6-foot long rods, so you can get a lot of user space out of that set. This last slide shows you what each set comes with, so you can choose the right solution for your lab.